Welcome back. In the last 6 videos, we have examined the following phases of the project lifecycle, with a greater focus on the role of a business analyst in each phase. The phases already discussed are 1. Project initiation phase. 2. Project planning phase. 3. Project analysis and design phase. And 4. Project development, execution, or delivery phase. In this video, we will focus on the 5th, 6th, and 7th phases of the project lifecycle, which are the project testing phase, the project monitoring and control phase, and the project closure phase. Let us now look at the 5th phase, which is project testing. The project testing phase is a critical stage in the project lifecycle where the product, system, or solution is evaluated to ensure it meets requirements and works as expected before full deployment. The testing phase is where you verify and validate that the project deliverables function correctly, meet user needs, and are free, or nearly free from defects. The key objectives of the project testing phase are 1. Identify and fix defects or errors. 2. Ensure the system meets requirements and specifications. 3. Validate performance, security, and usability. And 4. Confirm readiness for deployment. What are the types of testing? Depending on the project, especially in IT or software, testing may include unit testing, testing individual components; integration testing, checking how parts work together; system testing, testing the complete system; user acceptance testing (UAT), end users validate the system; performance testing, assess speed and scalability; and security testing, identify vulnerabilities. List of the testing phase activities are 1. Develop a test plan and test cases. 2. Set up a testing environment. 3. Execute tests and record results. 4. Log and track defects. 5. Fix issues and retest regression testing. 6. Prepare test reports. This phase deliverables are test plan, test cases or scripts, bug or defect reports, test summary report, and approved system ready for deployment. What is business analysis role in the project testing phase? During the project testing phase, the business analyst (BA) ensures that the solution meets business requirements and delivers the expected value. What are the key responsibilities of a business analyst in project testing? Number 1. The BA is to review test cases, ensure test cases are aligned with business requirements, and confirm all scenarios, including edge cases, are covered. Number 2. The BA is to support user acceptance testing (UAT), work closely with end users during testing, help users understand requirements and expected outcomes, and ensure the solution meets business needs. Number 3. The BA validate requirements, check that all documented requirements have been implemented correctly, and ensure no requirement is missed or misunderstood. Number 4. The BA is to manage defects, help identify and document defects, work with developers and testers to clarify issues and prioritize defects based on business impact. Number 5. The BA bridge communication, act as a link between business stakeholders and the technical team and translate technical issues into business terms. Number 6. The BA ensure business value, confirm the solution solves the original business problem and validate that expected benefits are achieved. And number 7. The BA is to do documentation and reporting, Assist in preparing test summaries and reports and ensure proper documentation of results and approval. Now let's look at the sixth phase, the project monitoring and control phase. During the project testing phase, the business analyst (BA) ensures that the solution meets business requirements and delivers the expected value. The project monitoring and control phase involves tracking and reviewing project performance, managing changes and risks, and ensuring the project remains aligned with its objectives. The business analyst supports this by ensuring requirements are met and facilitating communication between stakeholders. What is the purpose of this phase? 1. Ensure the project is progressing as planned. 2. Identify and manage risks and issues. 3. Monitor performance and quality. And 4. Make necessary adjustments and corrections. Project monitoring and control phase key activities are: track project performance, time, cost, scope. Compare actual progress with the project plan. Manage changes through change control processes. Monitor risks and implement mitigation strategies. Conduct status meetings and reporting. And ensure quality standards are maintained. During this phase, the business analyst plays a crucial role in ensuring the project continues to deliver business value. Key business analyst responsibilities: monitor that the solution aligns with business requirements. Support change management by analyzing impact of changes. Communicate updates between stakeholders and the project team. Help track project performance from a business perspective. Assist in resolving issues and clarifying requirements. And ensure continued focus on business goals and benefits. The last phase of a project lifecycle is the project closure phase. The project closure phase is the final stage of the project lifecycle, where all project activities are completed, deliverables are handed over, and the project is formally closed. The project closure phase involves finalizing all project activities, obtaining stakeholder approval, handing over deliverables, and documenting lessons learned. The business analyst ensures that business requirements are met and that the project delivers its intended value. Purpose of the closure phase is to formally complete the project, deliver the final product to stakeholders, evaluate project success, and document lessons learned. Key activities in the closure phase are: obtain final approval and sign-off from stakeholders, hand over deliverables to the client or operations team, ensure all project objectives have been met, close contracts and release project resources, document lessons learned, and archive project documents. During the project closure phase, the business analyst ensures that the project outcomes align with the original business goals. Key responsibilities are: confirm that all business requirements have been fulfilled. Support user acceptance and final sign-off. Evaluate whether the project delivered expected business value. Gather feedback from stakeholders. Document lessons learned for future projects. And assist in preparing final reports and documentation. On your screen are 10 general business analyst interview questions on the project lifecycle. Try answering them and add your responses in the comment section. On your screen are 10 scenario-based business analyst interview questions on the project lifecycle. Try answering them and share your responses in the comment section. Bye for now, and see you in our next video.